I used to shake, stutter, and forget my words in front of people until I cracked the code. If stage fright is ruining your shine, keep watching. These tips I'm about to share will change everything. Hey boo, I'm Fabi and you're welcome back to my channel. If you've ever felt that heart-pounding fear before speaking in public, sweaty palms, dry throat, mind blank, you are not alone. Today I'm sharing exactly how I went from terrified to confident when speaking in front of others. I'm going to break it down step by step, and I promise you, if I could do it, you too can do it. Stage fright is a natural reaction. It's your body's way of preparing for a threat, okay? Even though there is no imminent threat around you, even though there is nothing chasing you, the threat in this case being how you are perceived. What if I make a mistake? What if I embarrass myself? Your heart starts racing, your hands, they shake, your brain goes blank. That's adrenaline. But here's the truth. You are not afraid of the stage. You are afraid of being judged. Once I understood that fact, everything changed. Now let me take you back to one of my worst stage moments ever. I literally froze. I was presenting in front of my class and halfway through, I forgot my lines. My hands were shaking so bad, I could feel the awkwardness. I almost ran off the stage. That particular moment humbled me, but it also sparked something inside of me. And I promised myself that, Favor, you will never make yourself feel that way again, ever. So I started researching, I practiced, and I learned how to master it. It wasn't easy at all, I'm not going to lie, it was not easy, but there are 8 things I personally did to overcome stage fright, and I'm going to be listing them in this video, so make sure you watch till the end. Number 1, preparation. Preparation is power. Do not wing it, please. I don't wing anything anymore. I practice, I write, I rehearse out loud, I record myself, and I repeat it till I get it right. Number 2, visualize your success. Every night before a speech or before presenting, I visualize the entire thing going well because I have a very pictorial mind. Is that how I put it? So I visualize the entire event. I'm going to walk there, I'm going to say this, I'm going to demonstrate and all that. It is very important to visualize it. This helps you to see yourself and project the way you see yourself on that stage. Number 3, control your breath. Do not hold your breath. Breathe in and out, but control your breath. Deep belly breathing calms your nerves and your nervous system instantly. Number 4, record and rewatch yourself. I said this before in number 1, where I said you need to practice. I record and I rewatch myself. Number 5, read out loud. This will help you regulate how you sound based on the tone of the subjects you are presenting. When I started presenting at work, my voice was always low. My boss had to get a microphone to amplify my voice. But now I don't really use a microphone except I'm presenting virtually or in a very large space. So my voice became more bold, and this comes with confidence. Number 6, use affirmations. I am confident, I am prepared, I am bold. This may sound cheesy, but it works. At least it works for me, and it might not be your thing at all, and that's okay too. Number 7, start small. Present in front of a mirror, in front of your family, your friends. Start with a smaller group before going to present on stage in front of a crowd. Now, the last but not the least one, number 8, volunteer. I volunteer with organizations and I ask to be in speaking roles. It could be making PowerPoint presentations or something as simple as reading a report in a meeting. Nothing is too small. These small actions build a habit and make you more comfortable when you're on stage. Even at work, volunteer to be a speaker in your subject area. Yes, you can do this. Volunteer to teach children and teenagers at church or in the mosque, as it may applies. And believe me, teenagers will tell you where you are lacking so you can improve. They do not hold back at all. But be self-aware enough to not let it get to you, and you will crush stage fright. While embarking on improving this aspect of your life, please keep these things in mind. People want you to do well. They want to see you present well. No one wants to see you fail. So erase that thought of people are just there to see you embarrass yourself. No, they do not want to see you embarrass yourself. Making mistakes don't mean you failed. The awkwardness, the silence, while you're trying to remember something, these are human moments and they build connection. You can even use those moments to build connection with your audience. Also remember, your confidence will come from repetition. Do it again and again and again and you will get it right. Your confidence will come from repetition and not perfection. And you don't have to feel confident to act confidently. Act confidence. The action comes first while the feeling follows. Act it and you will be it. If stage fright has been holding you back, I hope this video shows you that you are not alone and you are not stuck. You can grow, you can lead, you can own the stage. Yes, you can. I did it, so you absolutely can. If this video has helped you, please give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment in the comment section telling me your biggest fear when public speaking. And please subscribe for more content. See you in the next one. Bye.